to take measurement for blouse. To stitch a blouse, total 10 measurements are required. List of measurements should be taken are 1. A. Height, 2. B. Body loose, 3. D. Shoulder finishing, 4. E. Hand height, 5. F. Hand loose. Total 10 measurements. Now, method to take height. From the top of the neck side, first stretch the blouse without any wrinkles from the top of the neck side till to the bottom of the blouse. Ask the customer which height they need. Height can be vary from each customer. This measurement should be taken from the customer back side. First, correct the customer blouse without any wrinkles. Then take the measurement from shoulder top to their blouse. Don't leave any folding allowances while writing the measurement. For example, the height is 13 and a half, like. This measurement should not taken. Now, the body loose. B. Body loose should be taken from the upper part of the chest. No loose should be leave on the tape. Check the back side, the tape is not in cross. Take the measurement as round number like 32, 33 or 34 or 35. Don't take the measurements like 32.5, 33.75 because those measurements cannot be divided into 4 measurements. For example, the body loose is 38 inch. Don't leave any loose in the tape. While taking this measurement, tell the customer to stand straight and take the correct round circumference measurement. The next measurement should be taken is shoulder finishing. It's the shoulder finishing. Take the blouse shoulder finishing measurement from as the blouse where. Don't leave any stitching allowance. Check the chart that have been given to you for the correct fitting of shoulder finishing. The notes will be given to you. On the notes you can see for the each body loose shoulder finishing. The next measurement is E. Sleeve height. Hand height should be taken from the shoulder sleevage to their sleeve height requirement. Customer sleeve height can be 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. According to the customer requirement, take the sleeve measurement. Please note it down that the top of the point should be correct where the height is starting. Take the height from the shoulder joint, shoulder and sleeve joint till to the customer required height measurement. Till to the customer required height measurement. This measurement can be as 8.5 inches also, 5.5, 6.5, 7.5 or 8.5 as per the customer requirement. Now the measurement is 9.5 inch. The next is F sleeve loose measurement, where the height ends, where the hand height ends, on that area we want to take the hand loose measurement. Don't leave any loose while taking the measurement. The measurement can be as 11 or 11.5 or 12. The measurement should not be like 11.25 or 11.75 because it cannot be divided. Sleeve loose measurement. After taking the sleeve loose measurement, after taking the sleeve loose measurement, after taking the sleeve loose measurement, the next measurement should be taken is middle hand loose measurement. The sixth measurement is middle hand loose. Take the middle hand loose from the customer while the armhole part round measurement should be taken. This measurement is taken for calculating the body armhole and hand armhole measurement. So please take the measurement as correctly to give a perfect fitting. Once again we are telling that this measurement is taking to calculate the body armhole measurement. So take the accurate measurement of the customer. The measurement can be as 11.5 or 12 or 12.5. Please see once again the measurement. Now the measurement is 11.5 inch. Hand loose and middle hand loose can be same, or the middle hand loose can be greater than the hand loose measurement. Now the next measurement is L front neck height measurement. L front neck height measurement. From the top of the neck side, till to the customer required neck height. The average neck height should be half inch down from the body armhole line of the customer. Where the body armhole bends, from there maximum half inch should be down for the customer front neck height. If the front neck height deep goes extra, the blouse will not fit correctly. So take the accurate measurement. Check with the chart that have been provided to you. For each body loose measurement there will be approximate front neck height chart will be given to you. The next measurement is back neck height. Back neck height start from the top of the back shoulder till to the neck height required. Front neck and back neck should be start at the same point at the top. The back neck height can be down by half inch from the front neck height, or else customer choice, whatever they required, 6.5, 7, 8, 9, whatever will be the customer choice, we can take the measurement. This is back neck height measurement. Don't bend the tape. If the tape bends, the measurement will be wrong. Tape should not be taken as cross or bent at any cost. Don't take the measurement in tape as crossly. Take the straight measurements. Now the back neck height is 6.5 inch. The next measurement is waist loose. This measurement should be taken from the front side where the last hook will be hang. This measurement should be taken very tightly with the customer. While taking this measurement, customer will tell no need of this much tight, but for perfect blouse, the measurement should be taken like this tight only. The measurement can be as 32, 31, 33. Don't take as half inch measurements or quarter inch measurement like 32 and half, 31 and half, because it cannot be divided into 4 measurements. Now the measurement is 31 inch or 32 inch. Whatever will be the customer measurement, we can take. The next measurement should be taken is U, front point center. While taking waist loose or any measurement, waist loose or any other measurement, please watch this measurement video for 2 or 3 times for perfect measuring knowledge. Then refer to the notes that have been given to you. After making clearance, you can take measurements from the customers. Maintain this inch tape as correct inch tape. The next measurement is U, front point center. From top of the shoulder till to the front point center. From top of the shoulder till to the front point center, take the measurements. Now the front point center is 9.5 inches. Don't leave any allowances while taking the measurement, like stitching allowance half inch, bottom folding allowances 1.5 inch, like those. Now the point center is U, front point center 9.5. If the customer is in chudidar, top or kurtis, the front point center measurement should be less by 1 inch or half inch while taking the measurement in kurtis or chudidar tops. For blouse, take the actual measurement that have been taken. Now the measurement is 9.5 inches. Now the measurement is 9.5 inches. Now we have taken all the 10 measurements that are required to stitch a blouse. A. Height 13, then body loose 38, then shoulder finishing 2.5, hand height 9.5, hand loose 11.5, middle hand loose 11.5, front neck height 7, back neck height 6.5. Like this we can take all the material measurements.